So the first step would have been writing your name in 3D, extruding it to 3D. Next one, we're going to go back to some of our old favorites, and we're going to look at how we build something like a chair. So a chair could be built lots of different ways. You could build it from the ground up or build it from the side, but either way, we're going to start with the same thing. We go to create sketch, and I'm going to build on the side. So I'm thinking of a chair, something like this. Whoops, get my finger on it. So something like this. Okay, so that's my chair. It's not a very good chair, but I'm building something like that. So on the side, and then I want to lift it up and then deal with that. So I'm just going to get rid of those. So let's start off. This time we're going to use the 2-point rectangle. So I'm going to start right on the origin, and I'm going to build the back of the chair. Now, yeah, sure, I'll build 75. So there's the back of the chair. Actually, it's one way. And I'm going to grab that rectangle again, and now we're going to think about building out here. Now, a chair let's say the chair is, you can see over here, the highlighted section. Let's make it 40. That's how high the chair is. I now can't go up and down. I can only go left to right. And now you can see here that it's 40. I'm going to hit tab and make this 40 as well. Right, so now I don't have a choice. It has to be that big. Now I'm then going to go and grab this, and I'm going to make the inside of the chair. Okay, so this is basically the back leg, the seat part, front leg, and the inside. So I want this all to be one piece, so I don't want these lines. So what I can do is I can press T for trim. Just see if I find where that's modify trim, or just press T. And I can now click on these to remove these lines I don't want. And I can even remove this one as well. And now I have the makings of my chair. Hit escape, grab this and just have a look at it so you can see how the chair is going. And I'm then going to go finish this sketch. I'm going to click on my chair and use my extrude button and lift it up. And let's make this 40 as well. Enter. Now, what you'll see is as soon as I've done this, my sketch has disappeared. I can turn my sketch back on if I want, but I don't need it. If I now do a free orbit, I can look around at this chair, and that's fine. It's not a very good chair. But what I'd like to do is cut out these legs. So I want to make a sketch. Instead of making a sketch on the floor or the walls or the back, I can actually choose to make a sketch on the chair itself. So just so you can see, I'm actually trying to make a sketch on here. Okay, escape. Let's go back to up here. You see up here as well, I've got a picture which I can drag around. So if you're struggling with the orbit, and I can also click on that home button to bring it back to here. But I'm currently doing a sketch on here. I'm going to click on the square button, and I want to, it's a bit hard, I want to make a square in the chair. That'll do. And then I hit escape, I click on this, I can go finish sketch. Now I click on this and I can now pull this out. It's all right. So I meant this part of the chair, but I don't want to do that. I actually want to go in and all the way through. Now you see what's happened is it turns red. That means it's making a cut. I can change this to join. Right, now it's going to join through. I can change this to new body, and that will make a new piece completely that can be moved or done whatever. But what I actually want to do is make a cut. Yeah, okay. Now I have a chair with 4 legs. Okay. If you want to be really fancy, we can click on here and we can put something in the back of the chair like we did in Tinkercad. I'm going to do this as a, let's see if we can do it. Love heart. Let's see if we can do the one on the other side as well. Guarantees this will work. Oh, it's going to be a terrible love heart. What if there we go. I can bring that down. Try and fix it. Finish. Click on this. I can press this, or I can even go into modify. And let me just press E for extrude. Oh, yeah, extrude. Right. And again, I can have this coming out, or I can push it back in. I want to push it back in and cut. And now we have a love heart chair. Simple.